Future 2 schools are about reimagining what's possible for students and for you as an educator. This is an opportunity to do things differently and to have an even greater impact. The day is designed around students and families. Campuses are open from 6:30 in the morning to 6 in the evening, with breakfast, lunch, and dinner provided at no cost to families. Instruction runs from 7:30 to 4 with a clear structure. Part of the day is dedicated to strong aligned academics and future seminars, where your teaching drives deep learning and builds critical thinking. The other part of the day is built around experiences and action labs. This is where students learn by doing, exploring interest, applying what they've learned, and discovering what they're capable of. And your role expands with it. You're not just delivering instruction, you're coaching, guiding, and helping students connect their learning to the real world. With built-in planning time and more adults supporting students, you're part of a team, so you can focus on what matters most: great teaching and meaningful learning. Future 2 reflects where education is going and gives you the chance to be a part of building it. This is your opportunity to do work in a different way and to make an even bigger difference. Welcome to Future 2.